3.3, right of entry and inspections. Access. Upon reasonable notice to tenant, owner and owner's duly designated representatives may 1. Enter the premises to A. Inspect via video, B. Make necessary repairs, alterations, or improvements, C. Exhibit the premises to prospective purchasers, tenants, contractors, etc., and D. To place for sale or for rent signs on the premises. In case of emergency or abandonment, or if the notice to tenant is impractical under the circumstances, owner may enter without prior notice. Tenant shall give notice to owner of any anticipated absence from the premises in excess of 7 days, and during such absence, owner may enter the premises. If tenant fails to give such notice, owner may recover any damages sustained. If tenant refuses access to owner or agent as provided herein, owner may obtain injunctive relief for compel access or terminate this lease. In either case, owner may recover actual damages sustained and reasonable attorney fees. The exercise of the right of access by the landlord shall never render landlord liable in any manner to resident or to any person in the premises. Noncompliance with this section constitutes a material breach of this lease agreement.